Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the series programming in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and now yes is open Alt F file menu, taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to print series and sum of series as following. Yes, so which type of series? So here we print the three type of series as first, like one, then upon sign two and divide by one. So next plus, that is a plus in between, then two raised to two upon is fixed and divide by two is also, then plus 3 upon 2 and divide by 3, that we can say that n number of time, so n upon 2 and divide by n. So what is a solution of this series? So 2 raised to 2, that is 1 and divide by 1, so that is a 1. 2 raised to 2, so that is 4 and divide by 2, so that is a 2. As it is that a simple our series, so like 1 to n number of 1 2 3 4, and 3 raised to 2, that is 9 and divide by 3, so that is a 3. So that three terms we can take six sum. So first that series now we can take directly, that is a odd series. So that is a first is a 1, then directly come to picture is a 3 upon 2 and divide by 3. Then we can take three terms, so directly 5 upon 2 and divide by 5. So that is also n number of times, so that is a giving the number of term by user. So that is a odd series, so that is first term one sum, then second term, that is 3, we already answer into above series, and next 5 raised to 25 and divide by 5, so that is 5, and that is answer is a, we can say that 4 and 9. Yes, so that is a 9, and last third series, so that is a 0 means even series, so 0 upon 2 and divide by that is, we can say that 0, so any value divide by 0, that is term is 0. So that is, and now directly come to picture in 2, 2 raised to 2 and divide by also 2, then 4, yes, coming to 4 directly and upon 2 raised to 4 raised to 2 and divide by 4. So that is also n number of time. So just dot dot and uh, n number of time. So upon 2 and divide by n capital. So that is n number of time. So 0 means all are 0. So we cannot consider 0, and 2 raised to 2. So 4 and divide by 2, so that is 2, and then 4 raised to 2, that is 16 and divide by 4, that is a 4. So we can come again, that is a 6 answer. So that is our paperwork. Yes, some student not get the idea what is paperwork. So what is input, output, and what is a process? So you can define your definition as a paperwork. So that is a paperwork. And now we can take our program in C language. So that is very easy to develop our logic. So now first we can include our header file. So stdio.h, then you can say that conio console input output dot h, and then math power function we have to use. So math library we can use. So math.h. So that is finished. Yes, that is perfect. And now void main, start our main function, and we can take first integer value. So first we can take iteration I, number of terms, and that our sum is a integer, but we have to take as a float because power function requires some double or float data type. So sum equal to 0.0, and that is initialization, otherwise that taking garbage value. So you have to know every local variable or simple variable that take as a garbage value in C and C++. So here we can assign sum as float 0, 0.0, and now first we can scan and number of times. So enter number of terms. If a pyramid and triangle, so we can take number of row, but here number of terms, and scan the n variable. So percentage d and ampersand n, and that is best loop. You have to know series, pattern, triangle, and uh, we can say that shape, or that is pattern, triangle, and pyramid. That series all are programming. That for loop is best because we have to know starting and ending value to our program. So I, that is start to 1, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. So first we can print first our series. So that is a general, we can say that series. Then after odd and even series. So first we can print also series. That is a my previous one video lecture. I already take the how to print. So that upon sign, that division is a, so here upon sign is that type of using computer science. So and then divide, so division, and that module. So and plus sign we have to also print. So that is I, and that 2 is fixed because constant, upon is all, that term is series, that I, and divide by I also, that print the series. And now sum plus equal, you have to know that is a compound assignment operator and short technique. And now we can use power function and divide by I, that is, and what is upon, so I upon 2. Yes, so that is a, let us check. And so we can print the series, and after we have to print also sum. So slash n, then summation of series is, so percentage dot 2f, because that float data type sum is, and then get cs. So very simple how to series program in C language. So first I save that series, and we can say that series and that general. So you can say that like 1 2 3 I already give. So let us check. So that name is already exist. So you can provide like save series and directly, not underscore dot c. So that is also, then I overwrite. Yes, so there is no problem. So let us check. I compile. Yes, there is no any error and no any warning, and our exe executable file is generated. And let us check that our first, that series is three terms that print the six answer. Yes, that perfectly. So you can look here, series also print, and our sum of that series is also print. So both we have to print. And one term after one blank. So before and after plus sign, we can take one blank. So here in double quotes after one blank. So that looks better. So first our goal is achieve first series. Now we can take as second, and that is a odd. So what is a change? So only we can change in the for loop. So only two change. So here I equal to I plus 2, that is a I equal to I plus 2, because we have to increment directly, uh, jump to 1, then 3, then 5, that type of. So that is a, we can say that odd series. And so here how number of, so we can 5 or that term, so only we can multiply 2 of n variable, because that number of terms we have to calculate. Otherwise that some less term is counting in, we cannot multiply and multiply 2. So that compile, and our answer 3 term is 9. So let us check 3 terms. Yes, that perfectly. Second, that is our achieve goal, the very simple, that odd series sum 3 terms 9. Yes, our paperwork, so we can identify that the answer is correct, perfect or correct. So that is a must be, you have to paperwork. And so that third term we have to take as second, that what series perfect, we can find our answer. And let us check that even series. So here divide by 0, that is a creating problem. So we can start directly 2. So 0 is not, because all are 0. So and here we can again, that is, yes, let us check. So three term answer is 6. Yes, and here we can start to 0. So means 2 directly, not 0. So let us check. I compile, and yes, our three terms. So 12. Yes, but four terms. 0 is also considered. So actually, we can take as a three term 2, 4, and 6 directly. So that is a 12 answer. Yes, perfectly, because 0 is all are 0. So let us check our fourth term answer. Yes, here we can take, and I give only um, two terms. So that is a 3, because we have to one less 0, we have to not. So yes, that is a 6 answer perfectly. So 3, 4 term, yes, here we can calculate again. So plus, that is, I think we can take as a 4 term. So 4 upon 4, that is 16, and divide by 4. So that is again 4. So that is a first general series answer is 10. And here that is a 7 upon 2. So 49, and divide by 7. So again that is 7. So that is a answer is a 9, and that is 16, 4 term answer. So we can calculate 4 term, and here that is a directly 6 upon 6, that 36, and again that come to picture in the 6. So that is a 12. Yes, that we have to perfectly our 12 answer. Yes, look our answer. So I press alter F5. So previously answer we have to take. So let us check. I now first our reverse order. So 4 term. So actually I give the 3, because 0 we have to not consider. So yes, at 12, yes, perfectly. Our last. So I now reverse order. So that is a reverse, and now that is a even series. Now again I assign to 1. Yes, only one change is required. That is a, let us check that series is now that we can say that is a odd series, and 4 term. So yes, that 16, yes, and 4 term is perfectly print. So 16, yes, that our answer in reverse order. 4 term, first I can take as 3 term. Now I take check as our answer in the 4 term, and last. So we can two changes. So you can identify, I can explain step by step. So I remove the multiplication, and here again that I plus plus, and remove this comment line. So that is our general series. Yes, let us check 4 term answer. So yes, that power function sometime taking the overflow, that is a wrong giving the answer. So what is the solution? So yes, that type of error, some editor is issue and power function is issue. So we can type casting here that sum in left hand operand is on float, and all other in the right hand is a uh, integer type. So here we can type casting problem. So let us check file again, and that is I give 4 terms. So yes, you can look that perfectly, but answer is a 6.50. Yes, that is not perfectly, because that is a 10 answer. So what is here again that wrong answer. So again I give some short typecasting that issue, and otherwise let us check. Yes, here some. So what is the solution? So I close that file all and come to editor. So that is a solution, and now again I open the editor and reopen to our file. That is a sometime that power function taking problem. So that is a, we can open again our file, and that is series. Yes, 1 2 3. Yes, that our, and let us check. I not any change, just compile, close our editor, open our file, and compile and run, and 4 term. So yes, that perfectly answer. Not I any change, but that answer being the perfect. So that is a solution sometime, because that the power function taking problem. So buffer means the overflow, or so that is now 10. Let's look, our 4 term answer is 10. Yes, here we calculate. So all are well. So what is the solution? What is, so here we cannot take as 0, otherwise taking power function taking creating problem. So yes, you can also test. Yes, if you here assign to 0, let us check. I testing to for you. So 0, and uh, that is a even series. I can try testing how to getting the error. So I plus equal to 2. So that is a let give the wrong answer. 12 exactly answer, but here that is creating problem. You can look that series sum is not NaN, so not applicable. It's that not perfectly. So what is the solution? Because divide by 0, that all are 0 and not apply. Divide by 0 in maths rules, all are 0. So here we can then and then I can testing for myself, and then I taking my video lecture in the YouTube channel. So benefit for you to your knowledge. So here I start 2 in even series. So that is a perfectly give answer. Now let us check. Again, we can provide the 3. So actually that 4 terms. So yes, look, that perfectly give the answer. So that is a solution. You cannot take 0, otherwise all are not getting perfect answer. And last, I again taking the odd series. So that is a 4th term, and that is 16 answer. Yes, all are well. So yes, now I can finish my session of this video lecture. So write this program to your C notebooks if you prepare very simple and very interesting series programming. So what is a creating problem in math function, divide by 0, in maths rules, in mathematician. So all are well. So now I close this file, Alt F3 function key, and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Jalakadi, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And any doubt of this definition of series programming or any other concept in C programming, to write in comment section. I give the definitely answer to you. Thanks for your watching again, and Hare Krishna.